साफ्रोमखौ बेंक गोदान मोनसे भिडिअ बरनि थाबाय स' आं दिनै नै दायो अलरेडि 7 o'clock फुंनि नै दायो फुंनि 7टा जाबाय आरो समावहाय आङो साथाम स्टुडेन्टसफोरखौ आं टिउसन लायो नालाय बेखायनो आङो बे स्टुडेन्टसफोरखौ नोंथांमोननो आङो देखायगोन आरो आङो बेलासियावबो लायो 3टायाव आङो बिसोरखौ आङो नेक्स्ट भिडिअआव नोंथांमोननो देखायनो आङो नाजागोन स' नोंथांमोना नायलांबाय थादो आरो बिसोरनि नामफोरखौ आङो सोंगोन स' नोंथांमोना नायलांबाय थादो आरो जुदि मोजां मोनोब्ला लाइक शेयार आरो साबस्क्राइब खालामनानै होनो बावनाङा so let's get started. Students, good morning. How are you all? Are you sad today?
No, miss. No, miss.
Are you happy?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay. Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Introduce yourself. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Narzari.
In which class do you study?
I read in LKG standard.
Okay. What is the name of your school?
English school.
Okay. And then what is the name of your principal? Okay. What is the name of your class teacher?
Narzari.
Okay. Now, how many students are there in your class? Okay, 24 students. Now I'm gonna ask you the names of 5 living things. Okay, Stanley? Okay, now tell me the names of 5 living things.
Parrot.
Okay,
Tree.
yes.
Boy.
Okay,
Cow.
and
Girl.
okay, very good. And then the names of 5 non-living things.
5.
Non-living things.
A television.
Okay,
A doll.
yes.
A watch. A house. A car.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Please sit down. Is your name?
My name is Narzari.
In which class do you study?
I read in LKG standard.
Okay, forward. What is the name of your school?
My English school.
Okay, what is the name of your class teacher?
Miss Narzari.
What is the name of your principal?
Salutullah.
Okay. How many students are there in your class?
24 students.
Okay, now I'm gonna ask you the names of 5 living things. Can you tell me, please? Okay, tell me the names of 5 living things.
Parrot. Tree. Cow. Tree cow. Boy. Girl.
Very good. And then now, the names of 5 non-living things.
5. A television. A doll. A watch. A house. A car.
Okay, very good. Sit down.
Thank you, miss.
In which class do you study?
I read in first one.
Okay, say. What is the name of your school? Okay, what is the name of your principal? Okay, what is the name of your class teacher? Okay, how many students are there in your class? 15 students.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Friday? What day comes after Friday?
Saturday. Sunday.
Okay, good.
A group of grapes. Word that makes a complete
Okay, very good. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello people. Này.
Hello everybody.